Hello from Slovenia again. I have 12 by 16-inch canvas, and I still have paints from yesterday left, and I will do a flip cup, and I have Pentart silicone in all the paints, and I will start with titanium white. Just a second. You will see better from this angle, I think. This is Amsterdam greenish blue. And I will do kind of, I don't know, I will not flip and drag, I will just flip and float. I don't know, it will not be even a big flip. Weird. So we will see. This was emerald green and Pebeo iridescent precious gold. Today is Raiko's birthday. We already celebrated with our family this weekend, so today will be just Raiko and me. Not much to talk today. Maybe I will just play some music while I'm layering. This one is, the previous one was Amsterdam Prussian blue, and the next one is iridescent blue-green by Pebeo, and this is Vallejo cyan blue dark. And I will layer white again and repeat the process. My cups. And I can cheat with this one, and I will put the other one here. Okay, and I will wait a second. And then I will not flip and drag, I will just flip it and try to float with it towards this side, and I will go a little more to the middle. So let's do the first one. Don't like that blob at the end. I did horrible job. So let's stretch this a little bit. First, whoop, I was probably off camera. And then I will see. Okay. This looks okay. And now I will grab my torch. Just do the corners with the paint that it's similar real quick. Maybe I will torch just here in the middle. This white, just to bring maybe some cells through. I really like those colors here, but I don't like this corner. I think that I have to tilt it off. Because of the composition, I will try to tilt it off a little bit and try not to lose other beautiful things that are there. And I almost did. I think that I like the composition more now. Just have to walk a little bit more down. now, I think. I wish that this one would be more round, because when I stretch it, it's so weird looking cell, so just try. Okay, because it kind of looks like a moon or something now. So here is a close-up. And this all is that it now looks yellow. It's gold, so I think that it will be pretty cool. It really reminds me of a landscape painting. Oh, sorry. Some river and the sky. Tell me what you think about it, and see you on the next one. Bye.